morning to all. This is ClassIAssembly. Today I'm going to tell you a story.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Near the village, the peaceful village. Near the village.
One day a big lion was sitting in the forest. Ah! Ah! A little mouse ran past and said, la 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 la. Who wake me up? I will leave you. Please, mighty lion, don't hurt me. I will help you one day. You won't help me, but I will let you go. Later, the lion walked into Hunter's nest. Help, help, I am trapped. Help, help, the mouse heard the lion roar and came running. Don't worry, lion, I will help you. Soon the lion was free. Thank you, little mouse. Now I know even small friends can be a big one. The day the lion and the mouse become good friends.
The jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps near the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. The quiet village, the lion sleeps tonight.
Love and be kind to all creatures, big and small. Thank you.